All right, the last foundational piece is that the energy always flows to the direction you're hitting. So I talked earlier about the weight maybe being 55% weight left at address or towards the target. As you swing back, the lead shoulder goes down, and that usually will mean your head will move forward about an inch or towards the target. As the center of my mass moves that way, obviously the weight does too. So I might go 55 left, 60 left. This would be a no-no, 55, and then moving to the right, but I see it all the time. Make sure the pressure's increasing in the lead foot. 55, 60. Now as I do my right arm only drill, watch what happens to my chest, the center of my mass, my chest. Swinging, supporting movement with the chest. Now my chest is over my left leg, so I'm holding all the weight on the left. So it might go 55, 60, 70, 80, 90. If the energy flows the direction of the pin, you'll hit the ball first, the ground second. Obviously the energy flows away, whether you're trying to like lift it up. Usually it moves the low point behind, you can hit them thin. So here are the 5 foundational pieces. And I should interject and say, how would I check that? Well, you can check it on a camera, or if it was sunny out, imagine the sun is here. I could find my shadow, and I could watch my shadow as I swing. The shadow drill, it's a cloudy day today, but a shadow drill would be a great way to check to make sure that your head's moving towards the pin in the middle of your swing and not away. We also don't want it to move down, but usually that's an error we'll get to. It's a makeup move for being under the plane. All right, so here are the 5 foundational pieces. Set up for finesse, on plane delivery, back up the plane, finesse sequence, releasing the club, energy flowing that way. And what you may or may not realize is that angle of attack, that 6-degree down angle at the low point in front, face open to the path, 6-degree down. If you have an error that's a steepening error, and maybe you're 10 degrees, you'll be dysfunctional. If you have too many shallowing errors, you might be 2 or 3 degrees and be dysfunctional. But the 5 I've given you are like 2 cones. They fit together. Have a neutral foundational piece that affects angle of attack, that's on plane. 2 steeps, setting up open and energy flowing that way, and 2 shallows, finesse sequence, releasing the club. So if we do all 5 of those things, we'll have an equal amount and we'll be highly functional. So make good notes, and now it's time to start hitting good shots. Now that you understand the foundational pieces, when you make a mistake, you're going to ask yourself, which one of the 5 am I doing wrong, and recommit to them as opposed to tinkering and trying new things.